Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about rain and some useful words to describe rainfall. Well, I'm sure we all love rain as long as we are inside. If we are outside and it looks like it is going to rain, we pray to God, please don't start the rain now. Let me reach home first, or maybe office, or wherever we are going at that time. But no matter what, children love rain. So today I am going to explain 8 different terms related to rain. Let's begin with spitting. We say it's spitting outside when it is just started to rain. It basically marks the beginning of a rainfall. Generally, there are a few drops of rain that we can feel every other second. We don't get wet when it is spitting if we are outside without an umbrella. Let's move on with the second term, drizzling. When it is drizzling, it's raining more than when it is just spitting. Drizzle is light rain falling gently and steadily in fine drops. We get damp when it is drizzling, but if you have an umbrella with you, then you are good to go. The next word in the list is pouring. When it is raining heavily with a lot of force, we say it is pouring. We get wet completely if we go outside without taking an umbrella or a raincoat. We can also use the term downpour to describe a heavy rainfall. Let's take an example. Because of the downpour, we got soaked by the time we reached home. Sometimes we say it is bucketing down outside. It is bucketing down outside to describe heavy rainfall. We can also use it is really coming down outside to describe a heavy rain. Let's see what the next word is. Scattered rain or scattered shower. When it rains on and off throughout the day, it will not rain continuously at a stretch, but it rains for some time, then it stops, and after some time it starts to rain again. Let's take an example here. Weather forecasters said there is a chance of scattered showers today. Let's move on with the next word, thunderstorm. The deep rumbling sound that we can hear in the sky after a flash of lightning is a thunderstorm. We can also call it a bolt of lightning followed by a clap of thunder. Let's take an example here. Last night she fell asleep listening to the thunderstorm. So these are a few words to describe a rainfall. Let's move on to the next segment where I will cover 3 more words which you can use to describe the after effects of rain. The first word in this segment is damp. When something or someone is damp, that means it's slightly wet. The best example for this is a damp beauty blender. We all use a damp beauty blender to apply makeup on our face. When we press the blender, no water is dripping from it, and also it doesn't transfer any water to your face. This is damp. The next is wet. When someone or something is wet, then he or she or that thing is covered with water. Suppose you are outside and all of a sudden it begins to rain heavily. What will happen? You will get wet, and when you reach home, water will be dripping from your head, from your clothes, because you were soaked with water. This is called wet. And the last word for today's video is puddle. When it rains heavily for some time, the uneven surfaces of the ground or of the road get filled up with rainwater, forming a puddle. I put up a picture of puddle for your better understanding. Children generally love to jump in the puddles. Let's take an example here also. She accidentally stepped in a puddle and got her shoes wet. That's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any of my videos. Bye.